Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a random assortment of things that I have bought recently from different stores. I just really wanted to compile this in one video so that I didn't have to do multiple different videos for you, because it's only a few new things actually. Well, it's a bit of new things. It's a few new things. But I just wanted to put this into a quick little video for you and let's just do it. So I have already chucked on my foundation because I bought two other products in the same range. So I chucked on my Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation because I actually bought the powder and the concealer to match it, and I thought, I love this foundation so much. When I saw that they released more products in the line, I was like, I need to try it. This is so comfortable. So like it has such good coverage for like such a light coverage. Like I feel like it evens out my skin tone quite well considering how thin and comfortable and light it is. So I was like, let's try the concealer and powder as well. So that is what we're gonna do right now. I have this foundation in the shade Fairlight as well, if you were wondering. So I got the Covergirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer in the shade Fairlight. This smells exactly the same as this foundation. I legitimately, when I first tried this foundation, I thought it smells like Saladas, and this concealer smells exactly the same. But anyway, it's not like a bad thing. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells like a biscuit. But I feel like that did a pretty damn decent job. It is not the most full coverage concealer ever, but it definitely is. Like, it feels good under my eyes and it doesn't look drying, which I sometimes get. I feel like it looks really quite nice. It's definitely not the most full coverage though, so like if you're trying to cover up like pimples a bit better than this, then you might want to go for something a bit more full coverage. But I actually feel like it's like brightened my under eyes quite well. Considering when I put it on I thought it was going to be much too dark, I feel like it looks really good. I feel, my cat is just walking past my window on the outside. Anyway, I feel like it's done a good job. And it just definitely like feels good. Like it doesn't really feel any different to putting the foundation on. And I feel like it looks really nice under my eyes. So I'm happy with that so far. I just think it's not the best one if you're not having a spot-free day. But anyway, powder time. I got the Covergirl Clean Fresh Healthy Look Pressed Powder in the shade Light. And it is adorable. It has a mirror. And this is what it looks like in the packaging. Cute. It comes with a sponge in the back of the packaging. Oh my gosh. But like, is this not... Look at that. It's so cute. It looks like clean and fresh. That is just such nice packaging. And that's like a decent mirror too. Anyway, so it came with this little thing. Maybe I'll try this. I don't usually use these things. Ooh, one side's like leathery. And the other side is like soft. Interesting, like a cotton puff. So I guess you're supposed to use this side. Maybe anyway, I'm just gonna use a brush because I prefer to use a brush. I'm just gonna take this brush. I don't know why. It just felt soft, I guess. And oh my gosh, some of my brushes are so, like I haven't used them in so long, they're so dusty. Anyway, I'm just gonna chuck this on. I feel like this is not gonna be concentrated enough under my eyes. Ooh. Finally just remembered to do only half of my face for you. I'm not sure if you can actually tell. Well, you can sort of tell. I feel like this side of my face looks a little bit darker than this side, but it also looks just a bit matted out. I actually feel like that looks pretty damn nice. I don't know what else to say. I feel like it looks pretty damn good. I'm not sure if I could have done like with a sponge, if that would have been way too much. But yeah, compared to the other side, I just feel like it looks a bit more flawless on this side. And flawless on the powdered side. Anyway, I'm going to finish the entire powder experience now, so just do my whole face. I really like that. I think it looks really nice and my skin looks really smooth. It feels really smooth. Okay, so the next product I have, I actually got for free from Mecca. It was one of their beauty loop prizes. It was the Terry Mini To Go Balm de Rose Lip Care. I believe this is a lip mask. It's like meant to be hydrating. I actually have the by Terry rose lip scrub, and it works really well, but I don't love it because it's really rose scented. And I don't know, I didn't realize that I didn't love the smell of roses. It's not like I don't love it, it's just that I don't like love it, you know? I like it, but it's like it can be a lot, and this is a lot. It smells exactly the same as a lip scrub, except the lip scrub has sugar in it. That feels so hydrating though. It does not taste good though. At least the lip scrub has sugar in it, so it tastes sort of nice. But anyway, it tastes like roses. I have next an eyeliner and a mascara. I got the Balm Schwing eyeliner, which is supposed to be bloody amazing. It is one of the sort of brush eyeliners, so like you've got like a little paint pot and the paintbrush, which we all know I am not amazing at, so we'll see how we go with this one. I got this on sale, I think, from Priceline. Most of this stuff I've got from Chemist Warehouse or Priceline, I think. No, I think I got it, okay, I don't even know. It doesn't really matter, does it? I've got it now. But this I bought it off the Pat McGrath Labs website. Sorry, why am I showing you the packaging? It's like a little, generally just like a foil thing. Okay, so this is the Pat McGrath's mascara, which is supposed to be such a good mascara. I bought scissors today to bring inside with me. It is the Pat McGrath Labs FetishEyes mascara, which I am so excited to try. I have heard such good things about it, honestly, so I cannot wait to chuck that on my eyes. Because I don't have any eyeshadows today, I'm just going to quickly chuck on one eyeshadow and my eyeshadow primer, and I'll be back. I'll pop my eyeliner and my mascara on for you. Okay, that is all done now. I also realized I hadn't chucked on face products, so I've chucked them on, except I just realized I didn't chuck on blush, so I'm just going to pop on blush quickly. Okay. So now for reals, that's all done, sort of. I feel like that was the worst blush application I've ever done in my life. It's not enough. Not enough. I came down so far on this side and not far enough on the other side. I'll fix it later, I'll fix it later. So now we are going into the Balm Schwing eyeliner that I just showed you. Pretty exciting. This is going to be a fun experience for me because I'm so good at eyeliner. I'm probably just going to do this eye for you and then this one off camera just because I find it pretty difficult to do. Ah, sorry. Touched my phone. Actually, you know what? That was not super hard at all. The only thing I will say is I always get this sort of eyeliner in my eyelashes, like just then. It's all in my eyelashes, which worries me because usually when I have this sort of eyeliner, it like clumps in there and it makes it harder for me to put on my mascara because it like goes like all hard and funny. So hopefully this one won't do that part. I honestly don't know how to avoid it though, because I use like the tip of the pen, so, and I go like this and it touches on my lashes, so I'm not quite sure. Anyway, I'm going to quickly do the other side and I'll be back. Okay guys, there we have that. This eye is definitely better than this eye. I kind of stuffed this flick up and I don't really have a chance to fix it because I'm running out of time and I have to leave my house soon. So we're just going with that, but I'm not gonna lie, it was super easy to use. Apart from the whole eyelash thing, that's the only qualm I currently have with this eyeliner. But even then, it's like there's a possibility it'll just leave them a bit wet and it's not going to do that thing where it goes all hard and goopy and difficult for me to actually put my mascara on, which we're going to test out now by checking on that Pat McGrath mascara. So I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes. Also, the only other thing sometimes like eyeliners like this do is that they leave black stuff on my eyelash curler. So we'll see if that happens as well. And then usually it puts it somewhere on my eyelid, so fun. You know what? I actually don't think that came off of my curler. And if it did, it didn't re-go onto my skin, which is the main issue anyway. So let's chuck on mascara. If you were wondering, this is what the brush looks like. Oh my god, guys, can you see that? It has made my eyelashes look so freaking long. Okay, I'm just gonna do the other side off camera now, just so you could have that comparison. Whoa. Okay, I'll be back. Holy crap, I am impressed with this mascara. I even did a better job on my worst eyelash side, I feel. Maybe that's my winged liner is a bit thicker. But This is insane. Like, my eyelashes look so freaking good. And I've only taken it out once on each eye and put it on. That's crazy. I am in love with this so far. I will say though, I will keep you posted on how it wears, because I know with mascaras they either tend to like crust all over my face or give me powder eyes. So if it does any of that, I will let you know, but hopefully not, because this could be my new favorite mascara. It's lovely. Okay, so next up was a special order from the Purr website. They had a collaboration with Barbie. I believe this was their second one, and I had to purchase the lip mist because you will see in a second if I could get it out of the box. This is what it is. This is not like the most adorable thing you have ever seen in your life, and it actually works through this. And it's just like, look at that. It's absolutely stunning. It delivers instant... Shh. Sorry, my cat wants to come in now. It delivers instant hydration and looks as good on the skin as it does sitting on top of your vanity. I've tested it out before because it took me ages to get it working. For some reason it wouldn't spray, which like... Did you see that? It's super fine, but it's like really aggressive, so I'm a bit afraid. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, so not the prettiest sound ever, but that is definitely a good mist. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There are some little droplets on my face so that I can see, but freaking hell, that's made my skin look so good. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna let it dry. Okay, so that is dry enough because I am running late. My last product for us today is also from the Purr and Barbie collaboration. So I'm pretty excited. It is a lipstick, and I had to buy it because they're like in the most adorable packaging ever. My cat is in the room now. She's purring away. She's a hungry baby. She's always a hungry baby. She hates when I do that. But anyway, guys, sorry, please excuse her purring if you can hear it. So anyway, I had to purchase this lipstick because it is the most adorable packaging ever. Like, look how stunning this is. Can you believe it? And look at this. It's got like the Barbie head on it, and you pop it and it comes out the bottom. So if you push in the button, it shoots out the bottom, and that's how you do it. And that is what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. It's in the shade Trailblazer, if I didn't say that already. And I'm gonna chuck it on for you now. Oh my gosh, that's such a good nude. It's like, oh my god, it's like the perfect nude. I love this color so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm putting that away. I'm not wasting this. And it feels, if you were wondering, it doesn't really matter how it feels because it looks adorable. So I'm like, I never want to use it again. I want to keep it on my vanity forever. But it feels really comfortable and really creamy. And I'm obsessed with this color. And it actually matches my eyeshadow really well. I didn't realize that was going to happen. But anyway, guys, that is the final product that I got in this random little haul from random places for me, but this video was for you and for me, I guess. I don't know. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything that I did or any of the products I used, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that, and hopefully I will see you soon. I chucked on my ooh, and it comes with a thingy. Okay, I'm not quite sure. It's also from the Purr and Pure. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you have any... No. Okay. So that brings us to the end of the video. What was that?